Hello everyone, welcome to Low Code FX. Let's create a UI design using AI tools. So right now I'm in a ChatGPT. Let's add prompt to ChatGPT. List top 5 UI design AI tools. Okay, so we have got top 5. Let's use Figma AI. I will write another prompt. Help me write a prompt to create UI for smart inventory management tool using Figma AI. We have got this prompt. Ask him to create detailed prompt. I need a detailed prompt plus ask for advanced UI plus add animation. It should be for Power Apps. Yeah. Let me copy it and let's open Figma. Now I'm into Figma, and here if you see we can paste that prompt, yeah, and enter. So it will take several minutes to create a UI. So let's jump to the final one. UI has been created. Let me click on play. Yeah, we have got inventory management tool. We have got this user experience. In the dashboard we have got insights, yes, products. We can search the products or filter out with different values. Import exports, add product, yeah, inventory, yes, good. Seems like it's doable in Power Apps. Also we have got this accordion effect. We can also build this in Power Apps. I have covered smooth accordion effect in one of my previous videos, so do check it out. Reports, we can integrate Power BI dashboard. Users, basically it's role permissions and user management. Settings, security, integrations, data, and appearance. Basically we can add more prompts and enhance the UI, and this is how we can basically build UI design in 10 minutes. Now use same prompt in all other UI tools and check out the UI, how it comes, and compare them, and do let me know which one is the best in the comment box. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.